welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So I did a video last week on my channel and that was the skincare products that did not suit my oily skin. Today I'm going to do another extension to that video and that is skincare products that did actually suit me. Now one disclaimer I want to give before I start blabbering about the products and telling you what those products are. If you are acne prone skin type or you have cystic acne or any kind of acne, please consult a dermat before you start thopifying all these products on your face. Second thing that I want to tell you is that what I have seen from the past, मैं भी ऐसी थी जो मैं सोचती थी कि skin पे if I'm putting anything that will help me more. But no, it is not. Drink your water, eat good food. It's not that junk food एकदम बंद कर लो. Of course, ना मतलब बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो ऐसा कर पाते हैं कि junk food एकदम बंद कर दें. Limitations में हर चीज रखो. So yes, this was it with the disclaimer and now we should just start with the video. So I'd like to tell you that I follow a CTMP skincare routine. CTMP is cleansing, toning, moisturizing and protection. And in the middle I add a serum. So that is what my basic skincare routine looks like. It does have 4 to 5 layers of skincare, but they're very simple, nothing over the top. So the first product is the cleanser and I use the Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser. I have a big bottle of it, so yeah, I use that cleanser. That cleanser has been a holy grail product for me. I did not want to change to anything because वो प्रोडक्ट इतना ज़्यादा मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है कि आई रियली मुझे डर लगता है कि मैं अब कोई और प्रोडक्ट लूँगी ना और मेरी स्किन के साथ कुछ ना कुछ हो गया ना तो वो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा स्कैर करता है इसलिए आई एम स्टिकिंग टू सेटाफिल एंड आई एम हैप्पी विद द थिंग्स दैट इट इज डूइंग ऑन माई स्किन सो या सो द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट इज टोनिंग एंड आई टेल यू नॉट जस्ट फॉर टोनर बट अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ माई स्किन केयर रूटीन कंसिस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी शॉप टी ट्री रेंज. I've been using it since 1+ years and I have been loving this toner. The smell is so refreshing and actually acne prone skin के लिए tea tree range बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छी बोली जाती है. It's very soothing to your skin. जलाता नहीं है आपकी स्किन को and the fragrance I don't know why I like that minty and soothing calming fragrance that comes from this. It's a very mild fragrance but मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगता है and this is the toner that I've been religiously using. Before Body Shop I used to use Plum's green tea range and that was also doing very good on my skin. It's just that I came to know about tea tree range of Body Shop and I wanted to actually try because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा acnes हो रहे थे. I mean I don't know, I was low on confidence with those acne stuff, so I really wanted. वो होता है ना जब आपको acnes हो जाते हैं तो आप हर solution try करना चाहते हो. So I did meet my dermat. He did give me creams and lotions and even antibiotics and everything. He actually suggested me a tea tree oil and it was then that I came towards Body Shop and I started using the tea tree range. So मैंने Plum से switch किया Body Shop की tea tree range पे. If you want to go to an affordable range, you can definitely try out the Plum का green tea range. It is superb. I trust it and it's really good. Now coming to the third step is moisturizing and for moisturizer I use the tea tree range again by Body Shop. This is their night lotion. I also use its day cream as well. So yeah, this is something that I've been using and it has been working with me really well. This is an expensive product, I agree. Body Shop is expensive, but the thing is it lasts you really long. So ऑल अबाउट एवरेज आपका वही निकल के आ जाएगा जो आपका नॉर्मल स्किन केयर का आता. 1 pump ऑफ दिस क्रीम or the day cream is enough for a complete day. It is such a mattifying product but it does not dry your skin out. You feel your skin is hydrated which is like bomb. I needed that thing. Like अगर मेरी ऑयली स्किन है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे अपनी स्किन एकदम सुखा देनी है. I need hydration. I know I need to drink water as well, but my product also I don't want कि वो एकदम बस मेरी skin को dry ही कर दे. So yeah, the tea tree range has been working really well for me. Coming to the fourth step, and that is the most important step of your skincare routine, and that is protection. That is sunscreen. Now sunscreen is something that I have been taking granted. And I thought कि कुछ नहीं होगा इससे, मतलब sunscreen ऐसा कुछ बहुत तो काम नहीं कर देगी, just cream. No, it's not just cream. It is SPF and you should actually be very careful while you're stepping out of the house. The sun rays are harmful. So I've been using the Lotus ka SPF 50 sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen. In the beginning you do feel a little heavy on your face, but it settles down within few minutes and you're good to go. Also, if you're an oily skin type, you can also try the Face Guard ka sunscreen, which I've been using. So I'm over with that sunscreen, so that's why I had the Lotus ka sunscreen, so I've been using that. So both these sunscreens work well for my skin. Now coming to the extra step that I add in my CTMP skincare routine, that are my serum. Now I use two serums, one for the day and one for the night. I use the Minimalist, their transparent skincare range. In the morning I use the niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum, and for the nights I use the salicylic acid 2% serum. Now one thing that I would like to tell you is that this is a chemical treatment, skincare treatment that you do. You need to do a patch test before you apply anything on your skin, and you have to be very careful. It's not that कि आप एकदम से दोनों चीज apply करना शुरू कर दो. I first bought the niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum for my skincare, and once I got used to it, it was then that I went for salicylic acid. Now with this we have come to the end of our video. And I would like to tell you one thing, and that is जो मैंने सीखा है is that never use toothpaste on your skin. Never ever use toothpaste on your skin. बहुत बार लोग बोलेंगे कि कोलगेट लगा लो अपने पिंपल्स पे एंड ओवरनाइट तुम्हारे पिंपल्स गायब हो जाएंगे. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट. डू नॉट डू दैट. That is the worst thing you can do to your skin. Do not use any kind of toothpaste on your skin. मैं अपनी कहानी बताती हूँ. I had used toothpaste on my skin. I had like 4 to 5 like a bunch of pimples on both sides of my cheeks, and I used it. पहले दिन कुछ नहीं हुआ. It kind of reduced the size of my pimples, but the second day I woke up with full covered black mark. My skin had got burned, and I cannot tell you the amount of frustration I had, because that was something, it was bizarre, dude. आप सो के उठे हो to check like wow क्या गजब चीज हो गई है आपके साथ, and you are checking that you have burns on your skin. Do not use toothpaste on your skin. It has bleach and it does not do anything for your skin. It is made for your teeth. Brush your teeth. Now if you ever use, despite my disclaimer, there is one cream called the Neosporin which you can use in order to cure that burn. Actually वो मैजिक की तरह काम करेगा उसके लिए, बट इट इज जस्ट अ प्रिकॉशन थिंग दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू. इट्स नॉट दैट कि हाँ अप्लाई कर लेते हैं उसके बाद मैंने सोल्यूशन तो दे दिया. नो, इट्स नॉट दैट. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, इफ एवर यू हैव अ बर्न because of that, you can use Neosporin. And yeah, that's it with today's video. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet, bye.